conclusive proof is that God raised Jesus up from the dead. Wala naman sigurong may kaduda-duda yun, no? During his time, mayroong 500 na nakawitness sa kanya. Yung unang-una si Mary Magdalene, and then his disciples and many others. So Jesus really demands a response from us. At the start of pandemic, my late wife Jane succumbed a systemic lupus. It was discovered to have a 5.5 brain tumor at the same time. Then she developed Alzheimer's, which deteriorated her health condition quickly. She became bedridden for 9 months with NGT feeding only. And I served her as a full-time caregiver until his last breath. While Jane was agonizing in pain and discomfort, the whole family was also in torment. Actually, a few days before si Jace kinuha ni Lord, talagang ramdam ko na mahinang-mahina na siya. Hindi na siya makapagsalita. May gusto siya sasabihin, tumitingin na lang sa akin. At saka ako naman, I was about to break down. Kasi 9 months ka pa naman na 24 hours nag-aalaga sa kanya. Nag-feed ako siya ng 4 hours every 4 hours. Prepare ka ng food, lilinisan mo siya kung basa siya o something, i-feed mo, tapos prepare ka pa sa next naman yung feeding, no? Lalo sa gabi, minsan isang oras lang, tapos prepare ka man another naman feeding, no? Minsan, siyempre hindi naman lahat na oras maganda yung pakiramdam niya, so hindi ka makatulog. So ang pinaka, very, yung masakit, yung may sasabihin, hindi niya masabi. Ako tuloy, pakiramdam ko lang, parang gusto yun ang sabihin na uwi na siya. Kasi sa hirap. At saka ako naman, alam ko, hindi tatagal talaga makakasakit din ako. So sabi ko na lang kay Lord, sabi ko, Lord, wala na akong nakitang what I mean is, nakikita na si Jane talagang makaka-recover na. So sabi ko naman, Lord, kung talagang hindi na, siguro ikaw na lang bahala, Lord. Ayaw ko na rin, Lord, na masyadong maghirap. Hindi lang ako, pati yung family ko rin. So only that time na, siguro after 24 hours, namatay si Jane. Talagang inantay lang, siguro ni Lord din na nakaprepare na rin ako na ibigay, no? Bigay na si Jane kay Lord. So, sabi ko nga, kung hindi siguro ako BCBP member, I don't know kung paano ko i-handle yung things like that. No? Kung wala ako nakadevelop ng deep, intimate relationship with the Lord and grow in faith, really, I don't really know kung paano ko i-handle. No? But I believe Jane is now enjoying her eternal rewards, and I'm looking forward to being with her when my time comes. So sabi ko, siyempre, ako na lang mag-isa, lagi ko tinatanong si Lord, how about me? Sana sinama mo na lang ako para magkasabay na kami. Kaya nabasa ko yung story ni Abraham. When Sarah died, Abraham took Keturah as his second wife. Nagkaanak pa sila ng 6. Kaya binigyan din ako ni Lord ng second wife. So, ayaw niya rin na masubuan ko pirmi. Gusto niya rin may companion ako. So, yung tanong ngayon ni Jesus Christ, and he demand a response. No? Jesus offers a personal relationship to each of us. We can begin to ask Him and ask Him to reveal Himself to us. With all the story that I have told you, actually, lahat-lahat na hirap, lahat-lahat na struggle na na-overcome ko actually, it's only meant to make me strong. Actually, spiritually talagang strong na ako. Pero I'm not telling you na talagang super. I'm stronger than I was before. So yun lang masasabi ko. So kung di ako sumali sa BCBP, I don't know really. So yun lang masasabi ko sa inyo. So yun din ang tanong ni Jesus Christ ngayon sa inyo. Kung anong maging response ninyo. Then you will call on me and come and pray to me, and I will listen to you. You will seek me and find me, and when you seek me with all your heart. Thank you very much.